Good evening. My name is Brianna Green, and I'll be talking to y'all about global warming today. So, a lot of times we hear in the media, global warming isn't true, it's not a real thing. What exactly is global warming? And it's become a very large thing in the media today. So, I'm going to talk to you about it and hopefully educate you a little bit more about what global warming is. So, I'll go ahead and give you a little overview of what we'll be speaking about. So we're going to define global warming. We're going to talk about the effects on the environment and how exactly does global warming occur. And these are all very important when talking about global warming. So before we get started, we have to define global warming. What is global warming? So global warming is the increase of Earth's average surface temperature. So whenever you have winter seasons when it's above 70 degrees. Whenever the snow caps are melting, this is things because of global warming. And so someone might ask, how does global warming occur? Since we just defined it, how exactly does this happen? How does a planet find themselves in that situation? So basically, it is because of deforestation and carbon dioxide from fossil fuels. So whenever we cut down trees and all of these things, it has an effect. It goes in a cycle, and it in turn affects us and the environment around us. So this goes into talking about the greenhouse effect. So what is the greenhouse effect? It is whenever the UV rays, strong UV rays, come down, they hit Earth, and they're trying to bounce back, but the weaker UV rays can't get out of the Earth's atmosphere. So, in turn, we have greenhouse effect, which is exactly how a greenhouse works, but it's dealing with Earth, and these UV rays can't escape, and it in turn makes the Earth hot, a lot hotter than it needs to be. And like I said before, that means snow caps are melting and things of that nature. So, what effect does this have on the environment? How does this play into, looking outside? What does this change? So, in the North Pole right now, it is 11 to 14 degrees higher than normal, and that's a very big change. Like that's a very, very big issue. The animals that live in the North Pole are now suffering because of the higher temperatures, the snow caps that are melting. There are animals that depend on that low temperature, and global warming is taking that away from them. So today we discuss how global warming occurs, what effect does this have on the environment, and then we also define global warming. I hope you all learned something today, and I hope you all like it. Thank you. My name is Brianna Green.